This is the PCIJ, the Philippine Center for Investigative Journalism, broadcasting from Manila.
Yung lump sum, I really think there should be more transparency. No? Hindi pwedeng, di ba, wala halos may alam ng detalye, tapos savings, tapos realignment. Yung sa pork barrel naman, that is the only means for a congressman particularly, or people outside of the highly urban areas, especially Metro Manila, can lobby for their needs and their wants. Okay? So how do you prevent abuses? Maglagay ka ng menu. No? Okay, coinciding with the national priorities. So, pwede kayo mamili hanggang dito. Magpe-pressure para sa so-called soft. When I was a congressman, okay na ako na puro hard projects. It brought us the roads, it brought us the electricity, it brought us the schools. Doon, baka naman pwede na, at meron ka naman monitoring agencies. May menu, dito lang. Tapos yung doon lang, sila mamili, pero ito yung priorities ng gobyerno. For instance, sa kami, education second sa platform namin, 40,000 school classrooms ang alaki. O identify ng congressman, tumulong sa doon. I don't see why that should be an issue. Validated naman by DepEd, etc.